So we are going to see about interactive 3D documentation, which is under a technical communication part. You can see engineering team will be delivering all the deliverables to the other departments like documentations, training departments, sales and marketing, assembly and manufacturing, where they used to deliver all in a form of PDFs or in a form of animations. This is my agenda. We will be seeing what is SolidWorks Composer, its current process. We will be seeing what it is, key features, examples, benefits, and we will summarize it. We will be creating stunning graphical content using this SolidWorks Composer, where you can create exploded views. You can also keep vector graphics and raster graphics, where you can zoom in and zoom out so it won't get pixelated. High resolution images. Be having shaded illustrations using this. Interactive BOMs, where you navigate through the BOMs, your part will get highlighted. You can create silhouette, wireframe, flat renderings using this. Interactive storyboards. You can also create video animation using this. So you can see an organization workflow for technical documentation. We'll be creating a 3D document and you will be converting it into a composer where you can create your visual assets in the form of 3D PDF. So this is done using SolidWorks Composer, where you can see a PDF here, where you can create all the arrow marks and all the step-by-step procedures using this. So the current process in an organization is, you'll be designing a model, image capturing using your cameras, and you'll be arranging it in the form of image editing in Adobe. You'll arrange it in Word format and you'll have a final output using in a PDF. Where if there is any change in your model, you have to recreate all this process again. So for engineering changes and all, Composer will play a vital role. Here you can see SolidWorks Composer will come here. So if there is any change in your model, automatically your technical documentation will also get updated. So no need to start from the scratch again. So that is the main USP of this particular product. So this, you can work parallelly with your product development team, so you can easily simplify your process and accelerating time to the market. The key features of Composer will be having imported CAD data, not only for SolidWorks. If you are using other CAD system also, you can easily import this. You can create exploded views, manufacturing bombs, and you can create animations, static images, and interactive documents. I have some examples. You can see this is a maintenance manual. So these images are created using SolidWorks Composer. All these arrow marks, step-by-step procedures, how to remove these jars, all this has been created using SolidWorks Composer. So instead of having in a written content, you can easily publish in the form of this format. So it will be very helpful for the shop floor engineers to easily understand the process. Have an assembly instruction. So how to unpack and leveling this conveyor system. So step-by-step procedure for that, how to unpack and how to disassemble this entire assembly. So all these images are taken using SolidWorks Composer. So once there is a change in your model, automatically this PDF will also gets updated using this. See here, and you also create a service manual, for example. So this is a cleanup manual, so how to clean this part. All these wireframe images also taken using SolidWorks Composer. And I have some videos, step-by-step procedures if you take means. So it's a production machine where you can have a 2D text, how the process will be in this particular SPM, each and every process, how it's going to work. The text will also move with the particular part, and you can easily explain the step-by-step process to the customers, shop floor engineers, instead of having it in words. You can, if you want to specify a particular part, you can easily zoom in and show the operation, so how it's going to work there. So all this can be done using SolidWorks Composer. So if you want to specify some caution to the shop floor engineer, you can also show it in the form of test. See, these all animation are available at the backside booth. You come and see all the animations, etc. So the publications can be in form of PDF, both in 2D and 3D. You can have your outputs in the form of raster graphics, all your image files and vector line art. So you can, even if you zoom, you won't get pixelated. You can create videos, walkthroughs using this, interactive storyboards, and you can also publish in webs. So your final deliverables are these. You can create product manual using this, installation instructions, maintenance guides, repair guides, manufacturing assembly instructions, training manuals, your brochures which will be helpful for your sales and marketing, interactive web content, also demos. If you are creating demos, you can also use these products, sales and marketing deliverables, and customer supply review presentation. So these are the deliverables you can create using SolidWorks Composer. The main benefits if you get means you can cut your documentation development time. So you can also reduce your telephonic phone calls for the support calls and improve clarity of your installation instructions. You can easily accelerate time to market. You can easily parallelly create all the documentation with respect to your product development. You can cut your assembly instruction time. And this is the main USP of this product. If there is any changes in your design, automatically your PDF and all your animation will get updated. So if you have any queries regarding this product, you can kindly mail us to this address. If you want to study your documentation process also, we will be available at stall number 2 and 5 at the back side. You can come over and see all the PDFs and all the images and also videos created using the SolidWorks Composer. Thank you, and we'll see next product simultaneously. That is SolidWorks Inspection. So this is used to automate your quality inspection process. So we'll be seeing what are the challenges faced by the quality assurance teams about this product, how this will help your organization, key benefits of this, customer project reference, we have did some. In the class we'll have a question and answer. So main challenges we see means manual balloon creation. If your drawing consists of more than 100 to 200 dimensions, user have to pick each and every balloons and have to create that. The next is report generation. A typo will be available for that. So that the next is handling revision drawing. So if there is any changes in your drawing, again you have to start it from the scratch. That also a big challenge for quality assurance teams. And manually checking the conformity of the part, whether the part is okay or not okay. And entering measure value manually, where the typing error will occur. And for each and every project they have to create an Excel from the start. So these are the main challenges faced by the quality assurance team. So this is a typical workflow. If you take in any organization for a quality assurance team, you will be having a part design. You will be creating a 2D drawing for that. You will convert it into a PDF and send it to the manufacturing, and simultaneously the production and quality team will be there. And you can easily create your inspection documentation and reporting. If there is any revision, this process will continue again. Where this SolidWorks inspection will be very useful is in inspection documentation and reporting, where you can create your automatic ballooning for each and every entities, that is notes, GD&Ts, dimensions, and also for reporting. You can see the Excel report there. In these two areas, SolidWorks inspection will be very helpful. So balloon creation process, currently you're doing it manually by selecting each and every entities, and you have to use the stencils to create all the balloons and also for reports. This is a new product which has been created, 2 years old, 2015, mainly for quality engineers who create their inspection reports for hours and days. So it's work with your PDF and scanned files. So no matter what CAD software you're using. This is a SolidWorks product, but you can also bring any CAD products in this PDF to work on it. These are the key features. I have some example. So this is how it will be, the final result. So your drawing will have all the balloons, all your notes, GD&Ts and dimensions, and you can also compare it with your previous revision, and you can easily separate it by giving a different color for balloons. I have another one example. This was also done using SolidWorks inspection. So more than 100 dimensions, you can easily do it. So it has a powerful OCR engine, optical character recognition. You can easily capture all the entities inside a drawing. As I said, you can capture dimensions, GD&Ts and notes. Customizable according to your industry standard. Critical dimensions can be easily highlighted. You can maintain sequence. If you delete one of the balloons, automatically balloons will be sequenced according to the order. handling a revision drawing. If there is any revision in your drawing, automatically it gets highlighted. I'll show an example. So this is a drawing. If there is any addition to the compared to the previous revision, it will show in green in color. If there is any deletion when compared to the previous revision, it will show in red in color. In that manner, you can easily compare all the previous revision with your current revision, and you can start ballooning. No need to start from the scratch. So you can easily compare your drawings, replace the drawings and also the balloons. No need to start it from the scratch. You can also integrate with the digital instruments and CMM. If your organization is having a digital instruments and also a CMM, you can integrate with this, and you can connect and start inspecting it. So once you start entering it, you will be getting based on the result like this. So your output will be like this, final output. So all the notes, dimensions and GD&Ts, you can see it all have a balloon, and also color coding will be available for it. If it is within the limit, it will show in green in color. If it is out of the limit, it will show in red, and if it is in marginal, it will show in yellow in color. So the final output of the drawing will be like this, and your report will be like this. No need to type each and everything. Automatically it will capture from your inspection. So all your entities will be available here. Based on the result, the color coding will be available automatically. So you can also display the measured input based on the best worst case, and you can highlight your dimensions based on the results. If you are having inbuilt inspection, if your organization is having an inbuilt inspection, you can also put it in the common location. You can start using that. This is the first article inspection report for an example. And next I am having a process performance inspection report. So you can see here. So all these inspection reports are inbuiltly available in SolidWorks inspection. So this PPAP report, dimensional test report. So you have inbuilt reports in it. You will be having all the PPAP, process performance, etc. In a single click, you can easily convert that into a report. Now all the reports are entirely customizable according to your standards. So these are the key features. So just 3 to 4 to 5 clicks, automatically your drawings will get a balloon and also a report. So it's a 90% automated process. So no training required for this. Just by clicking all the dimension, you will get a balloon. So it's a standalone application. So no matter what CAD software you're using, you can use this. The key features and benefits of this: you can easily eliminate errors and inconsistencies. And in single click, you can easily create all the inspection reports and inbuild XML integration with this. And you can also perform inspection faster. All the instruments can be done. You can measure the input value directly. You can use digital instruments. You can also use CMM. And you can easily highlight the dimension in the form of green, red and yellow based on the results. So this is a project we did for Rani TRW Trichy, where they gave their 2 drawings, a nil revision and a A revision. We did both drawing with the balloons, and we have proposed this solution. So these are the customers for SolidWorks inspection all over India. Any queries regarding this? Regarding these 2 products. And this product will be available at the stall number 5. If you have any queries, we also conduct a hands-on test drive for this product. You can also come and access queries there. Any queries regarding both Composer and inspection, you can ask now. Okay, thank you.